Today, I'll be saying the story of the magical cloak. So, once upon a time, long, long ago, there was a kingdom, and in the kingdom there was a queen and a king, and they gave birth to a handsome prince. And as soon as he was born, and as soon as the christening of the prince was held, um, a magical lady appeared out of nowhere, and her name was Yael. And so Yael came there magically, and she took up the baby in her hands, and she said, "You must name the baby Dollar because the baby is actually cursed by some evil, and it can. He also has the mark. He also has the mark of the curse. So you need to be very careful, and you must name him Dollar, or else all the things will happen in a wrong manner." So time passed by, and as Yagel has mentioned, um, um, Prince Dollar, as Yagel mentioned Prince Dollar, he was acting very weird. He was acting very weird, even from his childhood. Instead of walking, he would hop or crawl because he was afraid of walking or even running. So he only crawls and hops. Everyone saw him weirdly in the kingdom, and at an very early young age, um, Prince Dollar unfortunately lost both of his parents, his mother and his father. He had one uncle left, and the uncle of Dollar, he was very evil. He always wanted the throne so badly and so greedily. So as soon as the prince Dollar lost both of his parents, now there was no one to object the ideas of the uncle of Dollar, and and obviously a dollar and obviously a dollar can't do anything because he was too young to understand anything. And then and then the un- un- and then the evil uncle of Dollar, he convinced Dollar that a dollar was too big to do anything, and he needs some training. So he sent away Dollar to a far, far away village, which was very far away from the kingdom. He was the uncle of Dollar told Dollar to stay in the village, in a hut where there will be a nurse to take care of him, for a decade or so, until he becomes young, and then until he becomes young. He said that then after he learns everything, he could come to the kingdom, and be the king. um, but his actual plans were, he was never going to let Dollar take over the kingdom. He wanted to rule the kingdom forever. So he sent Prince Dollar there, and Prince Dollar went there. He spent many years. He learned to write. He learned to read. He lost many things. He learned many things. He gained so much knowledge. He also got many skills in fights. But there was one thing that he was not able to conquer: his fear of walking or running. He was not able to conquer these fears, no matter how hard he tried. He tried so badly, and he was not able to do a single one of them. And that night, when he was sleeping, he was not actually able to sleep. Then Iagil appeared again and said that, "I know why you are not able to conquer your fear. It's because of your curse. They named you a Dollar, as I said, but that's not enough now, as you can see. So take this magical cloak. It will help you. It will help you fly, but not walk and run." So he took the magical cloak, and he wore it, and then he said abracadabra, and then the magical cloak, it magically turned into a carpet, and it lied on the floor. It flied, and it flied out of the window, and it again came back, and now Dollar sat on it, and the magical cloak went flying out of the window. It took Dollar to several places. It was traveling very fast, so he was feeling very cold. So he wished for a blanket, and he got it. Now he wished to see all the things which are of a far which are on a far distance. He got special glasses um, which helped him to see far off um, to see the objects at far off distances. And next, he also wanted to hear them, so he got some special ears which helped him hear everything. He also felt hungry, so he got his favorite dishes to eat. And all of this happened to him magically out of nowhere. So he was very confused. But irrespective of the confusion, um, irrespective of the confusion, he was very happy because of all that, and he soon fell asleep. And while he was returning back to his home in the village, he noticed that a woman was chased by a wolf. So without any hesitation, um, a got down from the carpet, um, and as soon as he tried to drag the wolf away from the girl, the wolf magically vanished. And turns out this was actually a test which was conducted, which was held by Yagel. Yagel just wanted to Yagel. She just wanted to test the bravery and the fear of Dollar, and it worked. Dollar thought that he was not brave because of his fear, because of fear of walking and running. But now he overcome the fear even without knowing, and now he is very brave. And he returned to the kingdom with total confidence, only to realize that his uncle he died to the enemies, and now their kingdom and another kingdom were at both of them were in a war, fighting when he returned. His kingdom was actually losing, but as soon as he joined the war, he destroyed the entire kingdom's army with his magical cloak, um, um, and he created peace in his kingdom. He soon became the king, and everyone trusted him even more because he made them win the war. And from then, he ruled the kingdom happily and lived happily ever after. Thank you.